baby. Say that I'm the one, cause you want to. Really not pretend. Even when the sky can't fall. Even when the sun don't shine. I got faith in you and I. So put your breathing.
I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friend. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friend. Go, go, go.
Y'all, what's up? So we about to go ahead and get it cracking, okay? Y'all know I'm at my favorite spot. Shell Shack is the place to be, baby. And you know I had to get my extra potatoes. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Find somebody else to play with. Period. Me? If you're new here, make sure you what? Subscribe. Press the thumbs up. I need to see y'all in the comments. Y'all, we got so much to talk about. Y'all, today has been a long day. A really, really long day, y'all. We gonna talk about it, but it's just too much music going on, okay? We gonna talk about it later. You know it's been a long day. Bartender said, what? Shot on me. Period. I let him know. I was like, bro, you ain't worked as hard as me today. Guaranteed. Shot up, bitch. I already poured half of it, so not too much, okay? I poured half of it, then I poured the other half on camera, okay? That's liquor. That's liquor. Y'all, this is so good. I should have told friend to bring me some butter. Some melted butter. Y'all know I gotta have the butter to dip it in, because what? Butter make it taste better, butter make it taste better. Y'all, I don't know. Today has been, I don't know. The day is still not over. When we start talking about it, y'all gonna see why the day is not over. But y'all, it's still not over. And my food is on the way. It's on the way. He better come on. He gotta understand. He got 0.5 seconds. My food just came in. Look. He got time to be talking about it. Y'all know the potatoes not hot. And get somebody else to do it. Take it right on that. Can I get some melted butter, please? Okay. Thank you. We got a little bag of tea. Not so much. We need to offer to give a little shake, you know, dude. We can shake it. Yes, sir. It is hot. It feels so good. Y'all want a piece? Do y'all want some? I mean, y'all really can't have none, but, you know, because I'm not sure. Get somebody else for sure, but me and my seafood now. Okay, we got our legs, tons of potatoes, and our corn. Look at all them potatoes, y'all. It's covering up the corn. Can't even see. But I'm not going to complain today. Jesus, it's spicy. That's what I like. Ooh, yes, sir, Steve. Crack, lad.
Yeah, we living fast, nah, pussy boy slow. Ayy, we hopping out at red lights, twerking on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today, that means she scared, right? I be put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out at night. Bragging on them nigga top, you better hold his head tight. Anyway, life's great, pussy still good. Still eating cake, wishing that a bitch would. Got my foot up on they necks as a bitch should. I'm
butter right there, baby. That's butter. It's so hot and good. It's so good, y'all. When I say I deserve this, I deserve this. the juicy. I normally get my 2 clusters on Tuesday. Y'all forgot to come. What was I eating? I ate fish. I ate catfish nuggets. Seafood, same thing. Could have got this. But it's okay. It was well deserved today. I had to come. Y'all. And y'all know my nose be running because it's hot. I like to get it hot. So, not too much on me, y'all. Y'all my babies, y'all know her. We need to. We like if we like and if we can. Okay, period. Here we are. Back up. Back up. Y'all looking too hard in my food. Stop. Y'all like we say, get away from the TV, your daddy in a glass maker. Period. Back up, fool. Back up. Slow down. It ain't going nowhere. Y'all, they give you little crackling things, and I don't be using them. There it go. Heard that top goes the weasel, baby. That's what I needed. No meat right there. Why they? Now, where the rest of my meat is? My family is. Where the rest of it is? Y'all, they don't listen in there. They wrong for that. I love to get right here where the ankle is. Not the ankle, the kneecap. The knee, y'all. It's the knee. It's the knee. That need to be juicy, y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all how to eat your crab legs, okay? How you eat your crab legs, baby, okay? The country way. Okay, first you gotta get your leg. You gotta get the leg, okay? You gotta break it off. Snap right there at the kneecap, okay? Then you're gonna pull it out. Then you have to decide which one you want to take, but make sure you go ahead and dip it in the butter right there. But there's always some meat left over, okay? This is where the best part is, okay? Her baby. But don't forget about this right here. This like it was a stomach or something, baby. You know, we just gotta go ahead and get up in now. Add your sauce up there on it, okay, first. You need to get all the seasonings and the butter. Because while my bill come out, I know I won't put in that much work. I know I won't put in that much work. Y'all know we don't eat with the bills anyways. I just put it on just to be cute. But it's okay because I'm going home straight after this. Yeah, I ain't about to be booed up on a nobody tonight. Y'all, that spice be getting to my throat. Was I still giving instructions or what? I don't know. Y'all just follow along, okay? But then you want to take where the stomach or the thigh, okay? That'd be the good part too. You get all your meat there. Yo, I gotta ask friend for a cup of water. Because, baby, he just gave me some liquor. And y'all know we gotta have some water to chase it down. We can't be too late. We gotta drive home. Don't do what I do, babies. Don't drink and drive, okay? Y'all, I'm sorry. Y'all can tell I deserve this today. I don't even be eating up here like this. Being all extra and stuff. Oh yeah, y'all break the leg, of course. Let's see. That one didn't come out all perfect and stuff, but y'all know normally we get at least 3 legs that's secured. excuse me, y'all. I got hot Cajun. I got Cajun hot. So it's burning my throat.
You know I love it when you talk dirty.
Mm-hmm.
Fancy, you my orange soda shorty. You act like a little me, I wanna fuck you. You the type to kill me, I won't touch you. You want me drop a band on some
Y'all man want to take y'all on a date. Make sure y'all ask for seafood or some steak.
you let me be.
Don't be getting no chicken nuggets, no burgers, no wings.
Bitch sit on my face, I
Hurt these pockets, baby. Hurt
choose
these
up,
pockets.
Lil John, I'm finna pack him. When it
Sprinkle,
comes to my
sprinkle.
bitch, I'm straight hectic. Dirt ball in the coupe, smoking gas.
And when I tell y'all better eat it up. Don't be being all cute and stuff when y'all out on a date.
Shut the fuck up, hey.
Tear that food up.
Shut the fuck up.
What they say in white cheese? Cut the foot. For real. Show enough to throw down. Don't play with us. I'm not gonna be the girl that's gonna be eating cute at all on none of my dates. Now it's a difference if it's a 5-star restaurant, for sure. You know, act accordingly. You can't be ratchet. Y'all, this sauce is going through my nose. Yeah. Y'all know how I like to get my extra potatoes. Why they give me these? Y'all see what I'm saying? What? They be giving me 2.5. This is a half potato. They just do your girl so dirty every time. Every time on the potatoes. Y'all know I'm always say something. Watch this. Watch this. I need my potatoes to be heated up. Can you get like another bag and I can throw my potatoes in there? They is. I do this all the time. Just get like another bag like this, cause they gotta throw it in the boiler. They be worms. Yeah. They be worms. They don't be hard. They don't even be worms. They be cold. They throw them in there for me. Cause when I first tried it, I was like, do y'all got a microwave? Right. Yeah, they're just dry. But it just depends on who working. I didn't want to, I'm not going to put that one in there. I want to, I will. Do y'all want to see the corn? Oh, do y'all want to see the corn for real? Y'all, look at the corn. Not too much, because I done beat it. It's so good. It's so juicy. Look, y'all, look. Y'all, he talking about we put this paper down to avoid all the grease and stuff sticking to the bar. Y'all, I done made a big mess. A big mess. Watch the corn bite. Rest in peace, Tina Turner, y'all. They playing Tina Turner. Y'all, let me calm down, because they look at me like I'm crazy. I'm not about to calm down. Never let nobody in your life steal your song. Ever. Like I told y'all, this food tonight feels like a reward that was well deserved. They did it. Thank you. So hot, y'all. This corn didn't have a chance. It didn't stand a chance at all. Yeah, I'm still learning a lot about feminine energy, but ladies, we gotta use it. We gotta use it to our best advantage. And stop wearing all the makeup. Like, I love makeup, don't get it twisted. But because it's so common, y'all, guys be so starstruck when they see a female that's natural, in her natural element. Like, oh my gosh, I could wake up to that. I was with my baby. Oh, y'all, she's like fluorescent. She might be my good luck pair of legs tonight. Y'all, she got a little opal polish on her. Do. Y'all see how I be biting my teeth? If y'all don't want to do that, y'all don't have to. Use the crash ones. They put them over there. Y'all know me. Ow. I ain't about to be using it like that. And guess what? They still crack the same way. And I can still get it to the meat. Period. Pookie. Pookie with the tail feezy. The telephone. It's okay if you look crazy like me. I was just doing too much. Baby. Oh. Yeah, I be having to calm down because I know I be doing a lot sometimes. Always be a part of me. Always be my baby. Whoa. Since when they put that sign out there? Spend $50 or more. You see what I'm saying? I done parked across the street. That's how hip I am. For real. I was like, okay, it's cool. I'll keep paying. And I was like, on a Tuesday, ain't nobody heard. Y'all, I ain't even checking my potatoes this whole time. And they was hard. They was hard. Y'all know I was complaining earlier. You see what I'm saying? It's a ball. It's a ball. It is a ball, baby. This is it. 10 out of 10. Every time the balls is hard, it just reminds me of my man. Okay, period. Juicy. Lickable, suckable. All of them things. So good. That's exactly what I be looking for. Why they can come out like that every time? And I like the look, all the sauce, the flavors, the juices. Dip it in the butter. Ooh. That was a mid. It was good though. I'm gonna let y'all know there's nothing like about seafood. As y'all can tell. I'm gonna eat every time. Every time. I'm full, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie. Y'all know this is probably me pushing it. Y'all see what I'm saying? That 5 piece. Pekingese. She like. My favorite. I like the pull the cloth. Ooh, it's already coming out. I want to stick in that. That's it. Got the buzz on my soul, baby. Not Looney Tunes. This draws on. Looney Tunes draws. Red flag. I guarantee y'all, ain't nobody eating it as spicy as me. You see what I'm saying? Once you get a little crap, snap a pop. Pop a cord in until it's about time for me to leave. Woo, Jesus. I want to plan. I got up in that thing, baby. Get in there. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Don't sleep on them knuckles, the kneecaps. Knuckle, kneecaps, they all start with an N. Start with a K. Bye, y'all. Y'all, I'm fishing for cherries at the moment. My cherries is at the bottom of my plate. Hey babies, I'm coming to you guys at the end of the vlog. I noticed I didn't really update you guys in this video about what's going on in my life, but make sure you guys stay tuned for the next video. I will be discussing what has really been going on. I was going to edit to this vlog, but I know you guys' attention span is very short, so I like to keep the vlog short. Until then, I hope you guys really enjoyed the seafood mukbang today and a little sprinkle talk, you know, that we had about the guys, okay? Make sure you guys get your money's worth every time you with them, okay? Sprinkle, baby. I love y'all. See y'all Wednesday.